their day 5 challenge, mga kapuso. Nandito kami sa another part of the lecture. Look, the weather here is so cold now. Nag-exercise ang aking hubby, si Santi. Look the seagull. Nagdiriwang sila. Look so nice the place. We are so blessed kasi dito kami nakatira sa place na to na napakalapit namin sa lake. Look, it's so nice and relaxing. You see that? Wow! What a beautiful place. Ito, nakakita ko ng pangilog. Gawi na kami mga kapuso. This is Blasley. Hi, good morning everyone. Have a blessed day. Bye.